We just have to leave. Go to school now? Are you going to school? Where are you going? Going back and forth. Are you going to school, baby? Come here closer. Where are you going, Sadie?
He's running.
Where are you going? She just do it over, yeah. We don't worry. Sandy! Sandy! Come back. What's that? What's that? There's a meow. Where's your book? Sandy! Take off your bib. Come here, come here. Oh.
You still recording?
Yeah, so, come here. Let me remove your... Baby! Come on. Yes, I know. He just goes around and around. Come here. Remove your... remove your bib. Wait. We're just gonna remove your bib, okay? You gotta look good. Okay.
Sandy, come
Bring
back.
this one.
Bring your book.
Oh.
No, give her a book, not her.
Where's your book?
It's the dictionary.
Get your book.
Here's the dictionary.
There. Just got it. Yeah, come here. Show me your book. Oh, what's in that? Where's the... Is that Jasper?
Yeah, give her a dictionary. Sandy.
Okay, here's your book. You go to school now, okay? Yeah. You have to stop now. It's so long.